Hi, my dear student friends. I would like to mention one point here about higher education. According to several studies about the classroom education, top 10% of the students, they will easily follow the classroom. Further, they don't need to bother about how the classroom is going on. Bottom 10%, they are joined of their not choice. That is, they are not interested to carry out. Their study is not about their interest. Because of these two extremities, mid-band of 80% students are facing a lot of problems. That is, they are unable to follow the classroom because of the many influencing parameters. One of them is pace, the speed at which teacher is taking class and the speed at which student is listening. There is a mismatch there. Second point is this top 10 and bottom 10 may disturb the students. They may divert the concentration of the students. Third and most important is continuity, that is the participation in the classroom. Sometimes if they don't attend one or two classes, they will miss these concepts. Subsequent classes which are related to the concepts which were dealt when they were absent, they are missing it. Because of this miss, they are unable to continue their attention and follow the classroom. So they are the main three parameters where mid 80% of the students are facing nowadays. Now, how to solve this problem? Statutory bodies like AICT also is seriously thinking about this problem. How to address this problem? One solution is proposed by Virtulearn. It is an innovative idea to give higher education to the students directly. What we have here? One is total classroom content at the disposal of the students. That is, students can listen to the classroom whenever they are free, whenever they can pay attention at speed of their own. As well, they can repeat that if they don't understand the concept. And they follow the class one by one, one by one, one by one. That is, whatever the continuity which is missed in the real-time classroom can be compensated here. Speed, if it is not understood, they can repeat the concept. Therefore, speed is here clear, speed is solved, speed mismatch is solved. Second one is the continuity is here. These are the two important things which are missed in the real-time class about that 80% mid-band. In addition to the classroom, they get the presentation in the form of statements. These statements they can easily follow, and if they want to write the notes about it, they can write the notes so that it becomes their own preparation for their examination. They can easily write the examination if they have these points remembered. Further, we have very important advantage. We have graphical representation. Graphical representation always make us understand clearly. So this is a very important boon which is available here, because of which students can easily understand the concept because of this graphical representation. Further, numerical solutions. There are several problems will be solved in this content, because of which students get confidence to how to solve the problem. So it is one solution where missing speed mismatch and clarity about the concept and problem solving skills are available in this content. Further, students will be inclined towards the core concepts. Now, basic problem with engineering education is students are not confident about their core competence, because of which they are not preferring to join core companies. Whereas once they are confident about their core concepts, they will be ready for joining core companies. As well, they can attempt very well in competitive examinations like GATE, IES and other examinations. GATE will give, one thing is it gives admission to the MTech, as well as it gives a forum for other public sector companies like NTPC, HAL and other companies entry. So this will make students to, an attempt to the students for writing competitive exams like GATE and other IES examinations and all. In my opinion, it is more of social responsibility what Virtulearn is doing it. I wish them all the best. I would like to see all students to have backlog free BTech degree. Thank you.